Chocolate. Chocolate is a type of fruit made from the seed of cocoa plant. Choir. A choir is a large group of people who sing together. Choose. To choose something is to pick it instead of any other. Chopsticks. Chopsticks are two thin sticks that are used to pick up in food. Church. A church is a building where Christian people go to pray.